A lot of people ask me, what is the difference between body code and coaching? And the main differences are, in body code, we are checking for energetic imbalances in your body and then removing them. Whereas coaching is a partnership, and we're working towards usually a goal to achieve a life that we want to live. In a body code session, I'm going to use a pendulum and ask your subconscious mind yes/no questions so that we can locate the imbalances in your body and then release those using a magnet. Based on the law of cause and effect, we do something, something happens, that creates a memory. That memory then creates a desire, which then creates our next action, which then creates the next memory. And in each of those memories, if we don't process them through, they get stored in our body like residue. And so body code is the opportunity to release the residue, and we can do it rapidly and effectively